Are you ready to up-level your leadership, but you're just not sure how, or you don't have the time to do it the hard way? I know I have learned so much through doing it the hard way, and it is such a waste of time. So join us for an explosive one-day workshop where we get to facilitate and work with you so that you can explode your authentic leadership and set yourself up to make sure that you succeed in your leadership and not go down that track and feel like you're failing.
So what you'll get on the day at the in-person Authentic Leadership course is you'll be able to make some really powerful connections. So you'll find your like-minded change makers, you'll find your like-minded authentic leaders there with you on the day. You'll get the 4 pillars of authentic leadership, so you'll know exactly what they are, exactly how to implement them into your leadership. And you'll also understand, and this is a key, you'll get to understand the 4 authentic leadership archetypes, which will make a massive difference to your leadership of yourself and others. And then the coolest thing is that before you leave at the end of the day is you're going to have a plan personalized for you that will set you up to lead yourself for success and others. It is on the 16th of April. You will want to be there in the room with this amazing group of people to take your authentic leadership to the next level. So jump on there. You will not want to miss out. Get in amongst it. Push the button. Get yourself there and make sure that you are taking your authentic leadership to the next level this year.